to one and all. We are from Hindustan Scouts and Guides, Karnataka. We are releasing and distributing this book about Scouts and Guides, what we are doing in Karnataka. See, kindly give a big applause. On behalf of Hindustan Scouts and Guides, we congratulate each and every woman achievers here from across the country. Very good evening to one and all.
Yes, before we go ahead with the Power Woman Awards, so firstly, we would like to honor the guests who are on the stage. So we have Ambika Devi ma'am here, Brahma Kumari. So she wants to address the gathering with her presence. So requesting all of you to please put your hands together to Ambika Devi.
Good evening, everybody. So it's just, I am representing the international institution, the Brahma Kumari Sishwari Vishwavidyalaya. So where we empower each and everyone with Raj Yoga meditation. So since today it is International Women's Day, so we are with this attire, with all the achievements, with all the awards, and hence it is a very graceful and it's a very profound day for all of us. So I wish each and every woman on this gracious day a very happy Women's Day and more achievements, so that the grace or the glorification of this, this thought, or which we can say the sankalp of keeping women in the forefront. So let it be any profession, when women are in the forefront. As I said, I also heard that there is the Nari Shakti or Stri Shakti. So why are we called the Shakti? Because the power which is there, the compassion, the love, the warmth that is there in each and every woman, that is where she is in the forefront to lead, to transform not only the family, to transform the society and the world at large. So with these few words, I would like to just take you into a small meditation session of 1 minute. Are you all ready? To empower ourselves, whether we are women or men, it is a question of empowering, because we have seen different positions of our world, where we have faced the pandemic, and we also see many situations that have cropped up. So for all of us to empower ourselves, we need some time to take ourselves into the journey of silence. So I request all of you to be seated just for 1 minute. It is a kind of, self-realization. It is a kind of giving respect to the self. What am I? And I am the power within, the Shakti within. So all those who are seated or standing, just for a few minutes, let us take the thoughts into ourselves and feel the deep inner Shakti within. And that Shakti, when I realize, it is a profound peace within me. So when I take into the journey of this peace within, there is a kind of deep inner stillness and silence, where I can recognize that I am not just the woman, I am not just the Stri, but I am also the Shakti within. So let these few thoughts within you create a great transformation in this world, and let each and every woman create this transformation in the world, and let that Shakti be transformed into the world transformation that we are already calling for, or we also want for. So let everyone have the gracious presence of God, the light of God, the power of God in each and everyone's life. May peace and harmony be there in our life, in our society, and the world at large. So, I wish each and every woman present here an International Women's Day, a happy Women's Day, gracious Women's Day, and thank you very much to the organizers. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So now let me call upon the awardees, the Power Women's. So here we have Adviti Shetty. A huge round of applause to her. Congratulations, Adviti Shetty, for being a Power Woman of tonight. Also, Akshay Shetty, requesting her on the stage. ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಅದ್ವಿತಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ ರಾಮಾಚಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಟ್ವಿನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇಬ್ಬರೂ ಸೇರಿ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಮೂವೀಸು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜನರ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಗೆದ್ದಿರುವಂಥ ಸುಂದರವಾದಂಥ ಸುಂದರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅದ್ವಿತಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯು ಅದ್ವಿತಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಪವರ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟುನೈಟ್. Congratulations once again to Adviti Shetty. On behalf of Lead India Foundation, we would like to congratulate you. And she is the number one awardee. A huge round of applause to her, please. So we are going through the alphabet according to the order. So congratulations once again to Adviti Shetty for bagging Powerful Woman Award. More power to you. Thank you so much. I would like to invite Akshay Shetty on the stage. Congratulations to Akshay Shetty for bagging Powerful Woman tonight. Congratulations to you for bagging the Powerful Woman Award from Lead India Foundation and Karnataka Book of Records. Next, would like to invite Alula Divya Reddy. Please go forward, ma'am. Akshay Shetty. Congratulations once again for Power Woman Akshay Shetty for bagging Power Woman Award from Lead India Foundation. Alula Divya Reddy. Next, I would like to invite Amrita Gaigoli on the stage, Anima Nair, Anita Bijesh, Anita Rao, Anjali, Anusha Srinivasan, and Apurva P. Powerful woman who's been getting award on this wonderful stage. Thank you so much. We are very much honored to honor you on this wonderful stage on behalf of Lead India Foundation. Next, requesting Alula Divya Reddy to please come forward. Congratulations to one more power woman. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಲೀಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾದ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ವುಮನ್ ಒಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಜಾನರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಅವರನ್ನ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯು. ನಾವು ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಅಮೃತಾ. Amrita, please come forward. Congratulations for bagging Power Woman Award from Lead India Foundation. Yes, applause. Power Women. Requesting all of you to please put your hands together. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆನ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋಂಥ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಪವರ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ತಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಉತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬಬೇಕು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಅಮೃತಾ. ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಮೀನಾ ನಾಯರ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್. Anima Nair. So here we have Anima Nair. Congratulations to Anima for bagging Power Woman Award from Lead India Foundation and Karnataka Book of Records. Thank you, Anima. Requesting Anita Bijesh to please come forward to collect the award, and congratulations to you for bagging Power Woman Award from Lead India Foundation and Karnataka Book of Records S Trust. Congratulations once again to Anita Vijesh. Requesting Anita Rao to please come forward, and congratulations to Anita Rao for bagging Power Woman Award. ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು ತಮಗೆ ಅನಿತಾ ರಾವ್ ರವರಿಗೆ. ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ವುಮನ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ನೀವು ತಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಲೀಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬುಕ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇವರ ವತಿಯಿಂದ. Thank you. Requesting Anjali to please come forward, and all congratulations to Anjali for bagging Powerful Woman Award from Lead India Foundation. So requesting the awardees to please leave the stage after taking the award from the left side of the stage. Next, requesting Anusha Srinivasan to please come forward for bagging the Power Woman Award from Lead India Foundation. Requesting congratulations to Anjali. Ma'am, requesting you to please leave the stage from that corner, from the another corner of the stage. Thank you. And here we have Anusha Srinivasan. Congratulations to you, to the Power Woman, for bagging Power Woman Award from Lead India Foundation. Requesting Apurva P to please come forward. ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಅವರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ. So, the most powerful and stunning woman, that is Bhavya Gowda, requesting you, ma'am, to please come forward to collect the award Power Woman. So, Rashida ಅವರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು. Priya. Yes, a huge and huge round of applause to this wonderful woman. Bhuvana Sundari, Miss Asia Pacific, Miss Commonwealth World, Miss England, Miss Earth UK, Bhavya Gowda is receiving the Power Woman Award from Lead India Foundation and Karnataka Book of Records. Requesting all the awardees to please leave the stage from the other end of the stage. Thank you. Bhavani Swati, requesting you to please come forward. Bhavani Swati, Chetna Shabarwal. Deepa Mitra Senugupta. Deepa. The awardees, I am announcing the awardees to please be ready near the stage. Danya Balakrishna. Disha Caroline Mary. Dr. Anara Gupta. So next, requesting Chetna Sabharwal, requesting her to please come forward. Chetna Sabharwal. So yes, a huge round of applause, please. Give her a huge round of applause. The one who kick-started this beautiful evening with a precious performance. Thank you to Deepa Mitra Senugupta. Chetna Shabarwal. Okay, congratulations to you. Next, requesting Deepa to please go forward. Do we have Deepa from Lead India Foundation? So requesting all of you to please put your hands together to our powerful woman on the stage who's receiving the awards. Congratulations to all of you. Pia Prashant, congratulations. So I'm going according to the flow which I have. Nurjan Auru. So requesting her also on the stage. I'm going with next. I'll be going with the flow with the Nurjan. Nurjan ಅವರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು. Dr. Anara Gupta, congratulations. Next, Disha Caroline Mary, requesting you to please go forward. Roshni Gowda ಅವರು next ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. So congratulations. So requesting all our powerful women to please cooperate with us. I'm going to the floor. So requesting all of you to please be helpful to me as well. So we'll be going through the floor. I would like to request all of you to please stay calm until you get your turn. Thank you. Dr. Manju Gupta. Pragati Rao. Requesting Pragati Rao. Dr. Yamvi Vasupriya on the stage, please. Dr. Shilpa CV on the stage, please. Dr. Shilpa CV. Congratulations to the woman on the stage. ಸೊ ಇದೀಗ ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಶ್ರೀ ಎನ್ ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ಟಿ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀ ಮುರುಗೇಶ್ ನಿರಾಣಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಒಂದು ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಆನ್ ಬಿಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ for gracing this wonderful evening by all of your precious presence. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for taking your time out from your busy schedules and marking this beautiful evening by all of your precious presence. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀಗ ಲೀಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ಟಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ a small token of love and a small token of appreciation from Lead India Foundation. A token of love. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಾವು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಲೀಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬುಕ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅವರ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ಹೊರಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ವಿಧಾನ ಪರಿಷತ್ನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಇವರಿಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ಹೊರಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಆನ್ ಬಿಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬುಕ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ನಂತರ ಶ್ರೀ ಮುರುಗೇಶ್ ನಿರಾಣಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೀಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬುಕ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇವರ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಪ್ರೀತಿದಾಯಕ ಸನ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಟೋಕನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲವ್ from Lead India Foundation and Karnataka Book of Records. A huge round of applause, please. Requesting all of you to please put your hands together to our chief guests who are on the stage. And requesting the people on the stage, requesting only the chief guest on the stage and the rest of the people to please take your seats in front of the stage. ಅವಾರ್ಡೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮುಂಭಾಗ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಸೀಮ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಶ್ರೀ ಮುರುಗೇಶ್ ನಿರಾಣಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಲೀಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಇವರ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸನ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಾವು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಳಕಳಿಯ ಮನವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀ ಎನ್ ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿಧಾನ ಪರಿಷತ್ನ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ ಎನ್ ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ತಮಗೆ ಬಿಡುವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರರಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ವಿ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ಬಿಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬುಕ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸನ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Well, okay, that is what I got. MV Vasupriya, please go ahead to collect your award. forward to collect your award. Requesting all the power women to not to show your powerful weapons on me. Dr. Sharmila Kaza. So requesting you to please come forward to collect the award. Dr. Sheetal B. Sheklecha on the stage, please.
It's fine, ma'am. You just did this. That's the list we had to go from the starting. That's the reason there's a lot of confusion.
Dr. Sheetal B. Sheklecha on the stage, please. Requesting Dr. Mona Gujral to please come upon the stage. Sheetal ma'am, please come. Requesting Dr. Sheetal ma'am to please come forward. Sharmila, right? Dr. Sharmila. I'll call. Dr. Sharmila ma'am, requesting you to please go forward to collect the award. Dr. Pushpdariya, Dr. Manmeet Kumar, Dr. Seena Dhankar, requesting all three of you to please come up on the stage. I called your name. Dr. P. Madhurima Reddy, requesting Dr. P. Madhurima Reddy on the stage. She's not. Requesting Madhurima Reddy. Dr. Pareen Somani on the stage, please. I called you. So this is a wonderful award ceremony which has been organized from Lead India Foundation. Dr. Rajalakshmi SJ, requesting Dr. Rajalakshmi SJ to please come upon. Dr. P. Madhurima Reddy. Lakshmi Devineni, congratulations to you ma'am for bagging the Power Woman Award. Here it is. Dr. Purnima Jogi. Yeah, but one of the girl came and she said, you tell me, ma'am. Dr. Poonima Jogi on the stage, please. Dr. Raksha Rao, requesting Dr. Raksha Rao to please come forward. Dr. Ritu Chauhan, Dr. Ritu Chauhan. Welcome to Dr. Ritu Chauhan. Dr. Yes Shanti Bai. Dr. Yes Shanti Bai on the stage. It's been very much crowded on the stage, so requesting all the awardees to please cooperate with us. So, well, thank you so much to the chief guest who are on the stage for giving away the awards till now. We would like to thank you and thank you so much for your precious time. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಯಾರು ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತರು ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ರು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅವರ್ female chief guest now, the power of woman chief guest who will be coming forward to give away the awards, the rest of the awards. We'll just have it. Yeah. No. According to your certificate.
Can you find ours? After the exit from that side here? Yeah. We will be finding hiding LPLP. You search LPLP and LPLP. Did you see this gone there? I saw it got passed there. So I should go and look for.
Dr. Shalini Nalwat. ಸೊ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮುಂಭಾಗ ಕುತ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ಟು So requesting the people on the stage to please cooperate and to take the chairs which is in front of the stage. To all the people, to all the women on the stage, a powerful woman, requesting all of you to please cooperate and to take your seats. Kindly please cooperate. So this is 111-minute award giving. So I think it will get over by 60 minutes. So that powerful and that super fast our women are. Our powerful women are. Well,
All the 111 women to the stage.
all the one.
They can collect the memento later. All. We have a good picture.
Okay.
All them. All.
So now requesting
Outside.
outside. ಹೌದಾ?
Can I have all the award women who haven't have got their awards? Can you please come on to the right side? Can we have a line quickly, please? Who all have not received the award? Can you please come on to the right side?
Memory wherein you can see all the powerful women with you. So requesting all of you to please stay back after collecting your award. So now Lindia, congratulations to Lindia. Vandana Shastri to please come forward. Ma'am, your name? Vidya. Valentina. Ma'am, please come forward. Vasundhara. Dr. Annapurna. Parinita Mehra. So you can collect your certificates later. Requesting all of you to please go and collect the mementos. So yes, one of the Kannada actress, Rekha Krishna ma'am is also here. So thank you so much ma'am and congratulations for bagging the Power Woman Award. So Vanita Ashok, congratulations for bagging the award from Lead India Foundations and Karnataka Book of Records. Dr. Sumitra BH, ma'am, davitu, please go. Certificate, you can collect it later. You can go forward, collect the memento, the Power Woman memento. Certificate, I think all of you are in hurry. So requesting all of you to please support us. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Like many of the power women are saying that. Okay. Still, the event is going on. We are continuing with the event. Many of the wonderful women are standing here in the line to collect their award. Really, we appreciate from Lead India Foundation and Karnataka Book of Records. The only reason which I said to all of you to please take your seats, because like there were all the powerful women were on the, like we were, it was difficult to find the certificates of you all wherein so requesting all of you to please cooperate with us. Kindly please cooperate with us. It's a humble request. Kindly please cooperate with us. On behalf of Lead India Foundation, Karnataka Book of Records, congratulations to all the power women who are bagging the Power Woman Award from Lead India Foundation and Karnataka Book of Records. Thank you so much. You to please go forward to collect your award. Ma'am, your name? Shifani Sompal, requesting you to please come forward to collect the award. Renuka Sood, requesting you to please come forward to collect the award. Mukta Nagaraj, requesting you to please come forward. Dr. Rashmi Ashwin Gowda. Dr. Lakshmi Ashwin Gowda. So on behalf of Lead India Foundation, Karnataka Book of Records, Youth Efforts for Society Trust, we would like to thank all the powerful women who are here and requesting all the powerful women, the awardees will be, I'll call the names. Prerna Sulas, requesting you to please come forward. Nelly Hermad and Nisha Bhakkar. Manmeet Kumar. Congratulations to Manmeet Kumar. Pushpa Reddy. Avaru. Well, really I need to say that this is the wonderful, fabulous event which I am hosting, I can say. This is the most powerful woman I can see on this stage. Really, this is fantastic. This experience, I don't get it anywhere. Well, wonderful. I'm really enjoying this. I'm enjoying this. Mansi Seran. Congratulations. So here we have Mamta BG, the international bodybuilder. So we are happy to have Mamta BG here. So congratulations to Mamta BG for bagging this award, the international bodybuilder. So requesting the awardees who have already taken the award to please cooperate and to take the seats which is in front of the stage. Requesting the awardees who have already taken the award to please cooperate with us. Requesting you to please take your seats which is in front of the stage. So we have Mrs. Dalli, that is Shivangi Mudgil here. Congratulations to you. Dr. Seema Negi, congratulations. So, Madhumita. So here we have the beautiful Madhumita here. So congratulations for bagging Power Woman Award to our beautiful Madhumita. Yeah. Well, requesting sorry from all of you. So on behalf of Lead India Foundation, Karnataka Book of Records, sorry for the inconvenience, as all our power women are very powerful and they're in a hurry. So this is what happened. This is what is happening on the stage. Sorry, please bear with us.
See, I just.
Congratulations once again to the power woman on the stage. Yes, such a beautiful smile you have, ma'am. Congratulations. Let the smile last for long. Happy Women's Day to you and congratulations for bagging Power Woman Award. Latika Chaudhary, requesting you to please come forward to collect the award. Latika Chaudhary. Congratulations to the power woman who already collected your award. Dr. Aruna Watkar, congratulations to you for bagging the Power Woman Award. Thank you. And yes. So requesting the awardees on the stage who have already got the awards, kindly please cooperate with us and requesting you to please take your seats. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋರು ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮುಂಭಾಗ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. We have IPS ರೂಪಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದೀಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದಂಥ ಪ್ರೀತಿದಾಯಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತಾ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್, ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ರೂಪಾ ಮುಗ್ದಿಲ್, IPS ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರು, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕರಕುಶಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. The one who have already taken the awards, requesting you to please leave the stage. Congratulations to Vaini Sukumar for bagging the Power Woman Award on behalf of Lead India Foundation and Karnataka Book of Records. Congratulations to Pushpa Reddy. Please come forward. we have such a wonderful and kind-hearted awardees. Really, they themselves searching for the awards and they are taking it. Thank you so much for your kindness, all of you. Ladies rock. Really, really, really. Actually, I'm not. So yes, Rupa IPS ma'am is here. ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ರೂಪಾ IPS ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದಂಥ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಲೇಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಅ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟು ಹರ್. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯನ್ನು ತಟ್ಟಲೇಬೇಕು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಒಕೇಶನ್ನ. ಒಂದು ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಲೇಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ರೂಪಾ IPS ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಆಫ್ ದ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಡತ್ತಾಗಿರೋ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಶೀ ಈಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಅ ಒಬೀಡಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್. ಸೊ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ರೂಪಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಆನರ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪವರ್. ಈಗ ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ ಪವರ್ ರೂಪಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪವರ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟು ರೂಪಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ರೂಪಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ well, thank you so much to Rupa ma'am, Rupa IPS, for being here with us today with your precious presence. So ನಮ್ಮ ಪವರ್ ವುಮನ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿಗೆ ಇದೀಗ ನಿಜವಾದ ಪವರ್ ಬಂದಂತಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪವರ್ ವುಮನ್ಗೂ ಇದೀಗ ರೂಪಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಿಂದನೇ ನೀವು ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಧುಮಿತಾ. So, Veena ma'am, congratulations. International Women Rights India President, Radha Kulli ma'am, so congratulations. So, Vijaya Rai, congratulations to you as well. Meenu Saravanan, celebrity fashion designer. Rupa Vishar, interior designer. Rupa Deshraj, interior designer. Congratulations to you as well. And also Varsha. Jacqueline Zindal, congratulations. Dr. Push Daya, congratulations. Thank you. Thank you so much for your precious presence to all the awardees who are upon the stage and the awardees who have already taken the award, requesting them to please leave the stage. Okay. Manjit Kaur, ma'am, congratulations to you for bagging the Power Woman Award. And also Bhavani. Yeah, Bhavani ma'am, requesting you. Dr. Charu Malhotra, congratulations. Kurshia Nazir, congratulations to Prerna R. Saraf, congratulations. Dr. Sumitra, congratulations. So have many of the phones on the podium, requesting the people who have left their phones near me to please collect it back. Razule Caroline, congratulations. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Dr. Benazir Patil, congratulations. Oh. Satyashri Gupta. Kavi Priya Anandan, congratulations. Naga Sirisha Reddy, congratulations to you. So requesting the awardees who have already taken the award to please leave the stage. Anybody else who have missed out the awards, requesting you to please come upon the stage. Usna Babu, Neha Fatima.
Jumping on the moon like an astronaut.
On behalf of Vision Digital India, Lead India Foundation, our President, Dr. Hari Krishna Maransan, has been organized this wonderful evening to all the Power Women who are here today. Today is the World International Women's Day. Congratulations to all the women who are here for bagging the Power Woman Award. So each and every woman are the Power Woman. So congratulations to all the wonderful and gorgeous ladies who are on the stage and off the stage. And happy Women's Day to each one of you from Lead India Foundation. Yamika Damani, requesting you to please come forward. So here we have a gorgeous Yamika. Congratulations for bagging the award. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ MLC ರಮೇಶ್ ಗೌಡ ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೀಗ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಈ ಒಂದು ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಶ್ರೀಯುತರಾದಂಥ MLC ರಮೇಶ್ ಗೌಡ ಸರ್ ಅವರು. So ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ who have taken already the awards, requesting all of you to please and please stay back. So ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಾಯಬೇಕು. We have a group photo. So request while for a wonderful memorable group picture. Sneha Rakesh. Sneha Rakesh. Do we have Sneha Rakesh here? Radha Iregaudar. K. Prashanti Reddy. Your role. Congratulations to Rohini Mundra for bagging the Power Woman Award. Such an energetic and powerful woman she is. Come on, make some noise to Rohini. Dr. Saujanya Vashishta. It's not here, ma'am. ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? ರೋಶ್ನಿ ಗೌಡ. So yes, now requesting Tripti Rao to please come forward. Tripti Rao, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ. Congratulations to Tripti Rao for bagging Power Woman Award from Lead India Foundation and Karnataka Book of Records. Congratulations to Tripti Rao. For bagging Power Woman Award. Dr. Shalini R. Aras. Sonama, thank you so much. A huge round of applause to him. MLC ರಮೇಶ್ ಗೌಡ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ರಂಗನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ತಮಗೆ. Meghna, congratulations to Meghna for bagging the award. Dr. Shalini, do we have Dr. Shalini here? Do we have Sarita Shetty here? Can I request Sarita Shetty? Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your precious presence. Can I request Sarita Shetty on the stage? Do we have Dr. Shalini or Aras? Okay. Meghavi Vyas. Meghavi Vyas. Requesting Meghavi on the stage. Kavya Dume. Gala dinner. I hope you all know where is it. So requesting all of you to please attend the gala dinner as well. Yeah, Book of Records. We would like to congratulate you wholeheartedly.
Good evening, everyone. So we are honored to present this World Book of Records to Dr. Hari Maran. The time given to him was 111 minutes. I understand that there was some people who were not very happy the way it was going on, but he had to abide by the time, and he did it in 95 minutes, and it was being recorded by Shikha's watch. So he completed the ceremony in 95 to 97 minutes. Heartiest congratulations, Dr. Hari Maran.
Well, this wonderful thing what ma'am said, it was given within 97 minutes. Well, this credit goes to the power woman actually, because they didn't let volunteers to search their certificates. They themselves fetched their certificates and they did a wonderful job, and they helped us to complete the whole event, which was planned in 111 minutes, but they decided to plan it in 97 minutes. Such a powerful woman we have in Lead India Foundation and Karnataka Book of Records. Thank you so much to all the power women who made it possible. So, well, actually, this is really a record by all our power women. Thank you. Thank you so much to all of you. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಒಂದು ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ BMTCಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ, ಗಣಕ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಶಾಂತಾ ಎಸ್, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸುಶೀಲಮ್ಮ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಶಾಹಿನಾ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಹೇಮಾವತಿ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಮಂಜಮ್ಮ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಹೇಮಾವತಿ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಮಂಜಮ್ಮ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮುಂಬಂದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸನ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ತಾವು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಬೇಕು. Well, thank you so much. So now it's time for a vote of thanks. Requesting Ram Murari, Managing Trustee, Liberty Foundation, to please come forward to propose the vote of thanks. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೀಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ. Round of applause to them. Kindly requesting all of you to please put your hands together to Hindustan Scouts and Guides. Thank you ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. Because of you, this beautiful event was more successful. Thank you so much for your precious help. Thank you. Yeah. ಹೌದು, ಕಾರವಾರ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು Thank you to all the women who are here. Thank you, all of you. Thank you to Hindustan Scouts and Guides once again. Chief guests who were on the stage, to Dr. Adi Krishna Maran sir, to Prachi Gowda, and so here we have our powerful woman, ACP. So we have ACP Nazma Farooq ma'am here. Thank you so much ma'am for being here. A huge round of applause to her. A lady with all the power is here. Nazma ma'am, thank you so much for gracing this wonderful evening by your precious presence. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ತಮಗೆ. ACP Nazma ma'am, thank you so much for gracing the wonderful occasion.
ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಗೌಡ ಅವರಿಗೆ ACP ಆದಂಥ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಗೌಡ ಅವರು ಭಾಳ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಆ್ಯಂಕರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿರೂಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಲೀಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ಗೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಗೌಡ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಗೌಡ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್. IPS ಮೇಡಮ್ ಈಗ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಗೌಡ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ಆನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ನಿರೂಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆರುಗನ್ನು ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Thank you to each one of you. ಸೊ ಇದೀಗ BMTC ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನಮನವನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟೋಕನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲವ್, ಟೋಕನ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್. ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ದಾಕ್ಷಾಯಿಣಿ ದೇವಿ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಮೋಹಿನಿ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪ್ರೇಮಾ ಆರ್, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಶಾಂತಾ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸುಶೀಲಮ್ಮ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಶಾಹಿನಾ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಹೇಮಾವತಿ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಮಂಜುಳಮ್ಮ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರಬೇಕು ಮುಂದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀವು ನಿಜವಾದ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ದೇವರು, ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ದೇವರು. ಇಂಥ ಹಲವಾರು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನೀಡಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆಲ್
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
just take one photograph enough. Thank you once again. Last but not the least time, I'm thanking you, all of you. Really, thank you so much to each one of you for making it possible, not in 111 minutes, for making it possible in 98 minutes. Thank you so much to all of you from Lead India Foundation and Karnataka Book of Records. Ivar kadeyinda ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. This is anchor Pratibha Gowda signing out. Have a wonderful day. Shubharatri. Good night.